Hello everyone, today we have 8 minus 6 next to 6 minus 8. So this type of equation first looks very easy, but it has its tricks. So first I'll show you how usually the most of the people on the internet are doing and solving this equation, then I'll show you the correct method. So the most people on the internet, what they're doing, they do everything from left to right. So first they have 8 minus 6. Okay, let's write it. 8 minus 6 next to 6 minus 8. So what they do first 8 minus 6, so they get 2. Then they do 6 minus 8, which is minus 2. And of course they multiply, correct? And they get minus 4. But of course, this answer is not correct. Why this answer is not correct? If you remember the order of operation PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses and it must be done in the first place. E stands for exponents. We don't have it here. If we had, it's done second place. M and D stands multiplication and division. It should be done in the third place. Here we have multiplication. Therefore, after we do the parentheses, we will do multiplication, and addition and subtraction should be done in the fourth place. So therefore 8 minus 6 is in the fourth place. So not first doing the subtraction and then the multiplication. So this said what we have. So we have 6 minus 8. We saw it here. It's minus 2. So we have 8 minus 6 multiplied by minus 2, which equals, so here we can't write it. So here you might be tricked by the negative. So either you do this separately and then just keep the minus. We can do this. So we have 8 minus 6 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 12. Yeah. So in this case, when we have a subtraction of a negative number, it transforms to positive. So in this case, we have 8 plus 12 and equals to 20. Or another solution would be we write this as a sum of two terms. So for example, we have 8 plus minus 6 multiplied by minus 2. Okay, let's do it this way, like this. And what we get is minus 6 multiplied by minus 2. We have minus and minus is plus. So we get the same 8 plus 12, which equals to 20. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao.